Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Microsoft Family Safety by removing all members and closing the group. First, open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com/family. Sign in with the Microsoft account that is set as the organizer. When you are signed in, you will see your family group with all its members. Click on the first member's profile. Look for the option that says Remove from Family Group and click it. Confirm when Microsoft asks if you are sure. Do the same for each person until only your own account is left in the group. Now it is time to leave the group yourself. Go back to the main family group page and find the Leave Family Group option. Click it, then confirm. The group will be deleted once you leave because no members remain. If you do not see the Leave option, it means there is still someone else in the group. Remove them first, then try again. After you leave, Microsoft Family Safety will stop working for your account. Any screen time limits, activity tracking, or restrictions will no longer apply. You can always set it up again in the future if you need it. This method is quick and takes only a few minutes to complete. Thanks for watching.